How to reset Mint mobile password. So if you want to reset your Mint mobile password, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to search for Mint application. After searching for your Mint mobile, now make sure that you have the internet connection. Now to reset your password, go with sign in, which is on the top right. Now from here, you need to go with forgot password, which is on the top right. And from here, you need to enter the mobile number that you've used while creating your account. After entering your mobile number, tap on send, and after that you'll receive a verification code to your mobile number. After entering the verification code, it will take you to reset password section. You'll be able to enter your new password. You need to create your new password and then confirm your new password and go with save, and it will be saved. That's how you can reset your Mint mobile password, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.